UMS Flowell. Performance under pressure. The rotational alignment sub is used to assist with the orientation of well completion assemblies within a well completion string. A typical example would be the orientation between upper and lower Y tools in dual ESP completions, or orientation below a tubing hanger. The metal-to-metal seal variant of the rotational alignment sub consists of three main components: the top sub, the bottom sub, and the lockdown ring. A wedge-type, metal-to-metal seal exists between the top and bottom subs. Here we see the torque shoulders that provide rotational lock. The seal is energized by torquing the lock ring. This also locks the angular position to prevent back-off. Here we see a rotational alignment sub located within a tubing hanger completion string. Yellow lines have been marked on the string to indicate the required alignment to facilitate the installation of the MLE cable. In this scenario, the two lines show that the upper and lower parts of the completion string are currently out of alignment. The lower string is set in the slips so that the lockdown ring is at working height. Break out the lockdown ring in left-hand rotation and rotate off by approximately 1 inch. Pick up the neutral weight and rotate the string above the rotational alignment sub to the desired orientation, aligning the yellow lines. With the two alignment marks now correctly aligned, slack off the weight of the upper string. Make up the lockdown ring in right-hand rotation to the specified torque value. Pick up on the elevators, remove the slips, and continue to run and hold, terminating the cable at the tubing hanger. For more information about the rotational alignment sub, please contact sales@umsflowwell.com or visit our website.